Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Happy to learn. Today I am going to explain how to solve the question by using Newton's method. Suppose we have question like this. From the data given below, estimate the number of persons living between the age of 35 and 42. And age in year they gave here 20, 30, 40 and 50. And number of person they gave here 513 and 439, 346, 243. This is the question we have. By using Newton's method, we have to solve this question. Whatever that question we had, what you have to do, you have to write in column. First you have to write age in year, like in question they gave 20, 30, 40 and 50. And number of person they gave 513, next 439, 346 and 243. You have to write like this. And here this one we have to give the name here. First one you will give y0, next one y1, next one y2, next one y3. You have to give the name like this. Then what you have to do, just you have to create one more column. You have to write here the heading del to the power 1. Okay, then how you have to find out this one, del to the power 1. Here we have like y1 and y0. We have to do the minus y1 minus y0. Means you have to do the minus 439 minus how much, 513. Then we will get here minus 74. Then in same way you have to do this one, minus y2 minus y1. Means y2 value is how much, 346 minus 439. We will get here minus 93. Then next one also same way you have to do y3 minus y2. Means 243 minus 346. You will get here minus 103. This one you have to do this one, del to the power 1. In same way you have to find out del to the power 2. How you have to find out? In same way how you did here, this one y1 minus y0, y2 minus y1 and y3 minus y2. In same way you have to do the minus 93 minus 74. Then we will get here minus 19. And here next one same, minus 103 minus 93. Means this one will get here how much, minus 10. Next column we have to write del to the power 3. Here you can see here minus 10 minus 19. We will get here how much, plus 9. Next what you have to do, you have to write here, just first you have to give one point A. You have to write here number of person living at 35 year. You have to write number of person living in 35 years. In question they gave like first year they gave 35 and second one they gave 42. The first one 35 they gave, you have to write like this, number of person living in 35 years. In that, here what you have to do, first you have to find out x. How you have to find out x? X is equal to 35 they gave here, you have to write that 35 first. Then in that column you can see that first one they gave here how much, first origin of that number they gave, first number you can check, first they gave 20, next one they gave 30. Origin was 20, you have to write that 20 divided by, you have to see the difference, how much difference is there, 20 and 30. The difference is how much, 10. That 10 you have to write here. Now what you have to do, 35 minus 20 will 15 and down you have here 10, you have to write this one. Then after division you will get 1.5. Now you have to write the formula for what, Newton's method. You have to write yx is equal to y0 plus x into del 0 to the power 1 plus, not plus, here into you have to write, into x minus 1 divided by 1 into 2 del 0 to the power 2. Here plus is there. Next you have to write here plus x into x minus 1 x minus 2 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. Here you have to write del 0 to the power 3. Just here how you have to remember this formula. You can see in that column you have del to the power 1, del to the power 2 and del to the power 3. Then you have to write formula yx up to del to the power 3 you have to write. How you have to write? First one y0 plus x into del 0 to the power 1 plus x into x minus 1 divided by 1 into 2 del 0 to the power 2 plus x into x minus 1 x minus 2 divided by 1 into 2 into 3 into del 0 to the power 3. Here del 0 to the power 1, del 0 to the power 2, del 0 to the power 3. How will find out this one? In that column you can check del to the power 1, first value what you have there? Minus 74. And del 0 to the power, del to the power 2, how much that first value you have? Minus 19. And del to the power 3, that first value we have here how much? Plus 9. This value just we have to put here. Now we have to put here whatever values we have, just we have to put. Y0 values we have here how much? 513 plus x values we got here 1.5. Del 0 to the power 1, that values we have here how much? Minus 74 plus here x value we know that 1.5, in bracket you have to write 1.5 minus 1 divided by 1 into 2 del 0 to the power 2, that value how much we have here? Minus 19. Next this plus we have to write here. X how much? 1.5. In bracket you have to write 1.5 minus 1. Next one 1.5 minus 2 divided by 1 into 2 into 3 and del 0 to the power 3, that value how much we have here? Plus 9. Whatever that formula was there, in that just I put that values. Y0 values 513 plus x values we got here 1.5, you have to write that one, into del 0 to the power 1 you got here how much? 70 minus 74. Next whatever that formula we have, that values we have to put here. Then we have to solve this one. After solving we'll get here how much? 513 will get here plus 1.5 into minus 74 will get here, minus is there, it will come here minus 111 minus, after solving this part we'll get 7.125 minus, after solving this part, last part, we'll get here 0.5625. Now after doing all the subtraction, first you have to write this one 513 minus how much? This one 1 2 okay 118.6875. After subtraction, final answer will get here 394.3125. Just what you have to do, that 513 you have to write. This one you have to multiply. 1.5 into minus 74 will get here 111. Then we have to solve this one. You have to do minus this one, 1.5 minus 1. Then whatever value will get, will multiply with 1.5. Then we have to do the division and then multiplication. After doing that, we got this one. Then same way you have to do this one. First you have to do this one subtraction, this one also subtraction. Whatever value will get, just you have to multiply these three, then divided by whatever you'll get here. 2 into 3 you'll get 6. You have to do the division. After doing the division, you have to multiply this one. Then finally we got here 0.5625. Then 513 we have to write, and this one also after doing that solution we will get this much. Then finally we have to do the subtraction, we will get this value. In same way you have to solve the next part, like number of person living at 42 year. How? Just before you find out that for 35 year, same procedure you have to follow. You have to write x is equal to 42 here they gave, and here they gave first origin value is how much, 20, and the difference was there how much, 10. Then we'll get here 22 divided by 10, 2.2. Then formula, what was there, same formula you have to write that, and that values you have to put. After doing that solution, finally we will get here 326. After that you have to do the last part. What was the question? Question was persons living between the age of 35 and 42. You have to do like this. You have to write number of person living at 35 is 394, and number of person living at 42 is 326. Just you have to do the difference, and we will get here how much, 68. This is the final answer of Newton's method. If you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe and support to my channel. Thank you so much.